Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily News Editorial. In this channel, we regularly cover editorial page section of the Hindu newspaper. In today's video, we'll be covering today's Hindu lead article dated 16th of July 2021. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and comment. So let's begin. A strong Indian state must be humane too. Having an audit system to review cases such as Father Stan Swami's will also help assuage international liberal opinion. Father Stan Swami passed away in Mumbai hospital last week on July 5 while his case for bail was going on in the Bombay High Court. On being informed of his death, the bench hearing his case is reported to have observed, with all humility at our command, this is a shocking news. We passed that order to take him to the hospital of his choice. We have no words to express our condolence. Father Swami, 84, was suffering from Parkinson's disease, bilateral hearing loss, back pain, and generalized weakness. His health had begun to deteriorate since his incarceration in Mumbai. Incarceration means आप किसी को कैद करके रखते हो, बंद करके रखते हो, तो फोर्सफुली बंद करके रखते हो, तो incarceration. After his arrest on October 8, 2020 by the National Investigation Agency (NIA) under the Unlawful Activities Act in Bhima Koregaon case. On May 28, he was moved to a private hospital following a court order, but his condition had worsened. Meanwhile, the court had continued hearing his bail application but not arrived at a decision. Global criticism. Like the Bombay High Court bench, Father Swami's many admirers in India and abroad would have been shocked at his death while still in custody. The important fact that he continued to be in custody in Mumbai will not be missed by those who followed the case, including human rights organizations abroad. For, for Father Swami had wished to be allowed to take to Jharkhand, but tragically this was not to be. Naturally, even then, the law would have taken its course in respect of the trial. The Indian state's treatment of Father Swami has attracted substantial and pointed criticism from significant international quarters. The, the Lawlor, Mary Lawlor, the United Nations Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights defenders after his death, plainly made the accusation का मतलब होता है आरोप लगाना, plainly made the accusation that he was arrested on false charges of terrorism. The European Union's Special Representative of Human Rights, Eamon Gilmore, did not go so far, but said the European Union had been raising the case repeatedly with the Indian authorities. In a statement on July 6 on Father Swami's death, Liz Thorasel, the spokesperson of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Michael Bachelet, stated, "We are deeply saddened and disturbed," and went on to describe him as a long standing activist, particularly on the rights of indigenous people and other marginalized people. इंडिजीनियस पीपल का मतलब होता है जो लोकल लोग होते हैं, जो कि नेटिव लोग होते हैं, पहले के रहने वाले, जैसे आदिवासी लोग होते हैं, उनको इंडिजीनियस पीपल कहते हैं. The United States State Department expressed sadness at his death and called him a Jewish priest and tribal rights activist. and the States Commission on International Religious Freedom condemned on the strongest term the deliberate neglect and targeting by the government of India that led to the death of Father Stan Swami, long time human rights defender. इसमें जो डिलिबरेट मीन्स होता है जानबूझकर नेगलेक्ट किया गया बाय बाय द गवर्नमेंट। कंडेम्ड का मतलब होता है कि आप किसी को कंडेम करते हो या उसको आप उसे हिंदी में एग्जैक्ट वर्ड होता है भर्त्सना करते हो, उसको आप डिमीन करते बोलते अच्छा काम नहीं हुआ तो उसको कंडेम बोलते हैं। अ डिफेंस दैट इज़ वुडन। वुडन एक वुडन का मतलब होता है कि लकड़ी के जैसा, वुड के जैसा। इसका एक और विच इज़ simple meaning, but in this sense we can say something which is unnatural. The defense that is wooden, or the defense which is unnatural because it's really old. While denying him bail, a special NIA court concluded that the material placed on record thus prima facie denote that Stan Swami was not only the member of the banned organization Communist Party of India Maoist, but he was carrying out activities further in the objective of the organization, which is nothing but to overthrow the democracy of the nation. इसमें आपका एक ये वर्ड है प्राइमा फेसी। प्राइमा फेसी मीन्स जो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन में स्टार्टिंग में आपको ऐसा लगता है, जो भी आपके पास सबूत है उसको देखकर कैसा लग रहा है, तो उसको बोलते हैं प्राइमा फेसी। दिस ओपिनियन क्लियरली हैज़ नॉट बीन टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन, nor has it been found a credible nor has it been found to be credible by international observers। तो ये जो ओपिनियन था प्राइमा फेसी कि he was part of a banned organizations, that particular that opinion has not been taken into consideration, और उसको एंड इट्स नॉट क्रेडिबल। क्रेडिबल मतलब क्या होता है कि जिस पे भरोसा किया जाए, इज़ नॉट क्रेडिबल इन दिस केस बिकॉज यहाँ लिखा हुआ है नॉर हैज इट फाउंड टू बी क्रेडिबल। क्रेडिबल का मतलब होता है कि भरोसे लायक, विश्वसनीय by international observers. Father Swami has continued to be described as human rights activists. It is also doubtful that the defense of the Ministry of External Affairs that authorities in India act against violations of law and not against legitimate exercise of rights. All such actions are strictly in accordance with the law. Will find many takers in respect of the Father Swami case, but with regard to his arrest as well as denial of bail. In respect to criticism in the case, the MEA on July 6 also noted that India's democratic and constitutional policy is complemented by an independent judiciary, a range of national a range of national and state level human rights commissions that monitor violations, a free media, and a vibrant and vocal civil society. India remains committed to promotion and protection of human rights of all its citizens. This, no doubt, is true as a general proposition. However, these words will be refracted inevitably refracted through the prism of denial of bail to an ailing, very old man who was considered by influential sections of international opinion to have been an activist for the tribal people, assisting them in the preservation of their rights for their way of life। इसमें एक दो वर्ड है इनएविटेबली एंड रिफ्रैक्टेड। रिफ्रैक्टेड जैसे कि आपने पढ़ा होगा बचपन में, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, सेम वे। तो इस सेम मेटाफोर को यूज़ किया गया यहाँ पर व्हेन वी से रिफ्रैक्टेड थ्रू द प्रिज्म ऑफ डिनायल ऑफ बेल। तो आप इसके पहले में जो आपने पढ़ा कि हमारा जो हमारा इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी है एंड जो हमारे लॉज वगैरह हैं सब कुछ बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हैं, वो जो इस पैराग्राफ में बताया जा रहा है, इसके पहले वाले पैराग्राफ में। तो यहाँ पे ये सिंपली बोला कि दिस इज ट्रू इन जनरल विच इज रिटन ओवर हियर, इट्स ट्रू एज ए जनरल प्रपोजिशन, बट this particular case, this entire thing will be seen through the lens of ये जो फादर स्वामी को जो बेल नहीं मिला इसके बारे में उसको देख करके ही बताया जाएगा. सो रिफ्लेक्टेड थ्रू द प्रिज्म ऑफ डिनाइल ऑफ बेल. जो आपने आप एक तरफ बोलते हैं कि आपका जो ह्यूमन राइट्स है बहुत अच्छा है, दूसरी तरफ आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं आपकी एक ओल्ड मैन को जो बीमार है उसको बेल नहीं दिया गया. Okay, so let's continue. Also, inevitably, they will not be able to forget that it took almost a month for the jail authorities to provide a straw, zipper, and winter clothes to Father Swami, as Parkinson's disease made it difficult for him to hold cups or glasses. The straw and zipper may become a visual metaphor for words to paint pictures. These aspects, among others, will raise questions about MEA's statement, especially among Christian church groups abroad, because Father Swami was a Jewish priest and it Father Swami was a Jesuit priest, and it will not be unnatural for them to take some interest in the matter. Perceived path of the state. All this will also be viewed in the context of the events of the past few years, when international liberal opinion has been deeply concerned by what it perceives as the direction taken by Indian society and polity. There is, of course, no question of pandering to such opinion on India's core security interest in issues relating to terrorism from abroad and indiscriminate violence driven by ideology driven direct perpetrators of violence against the state causing inter alia the loss of innocent lives. इसमें जैसे आपका एक वर्ड है इंटर आलिया, तो ये बोलता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि और परपरेटर्स मतलब होता है कि जनरली अपराधी होता है द पीपल हु आर डूइंग वायलेंट थिंग्स. However, diplomacy requires engagement with international liberal opinion, not wooden and inflexible assertions of general principles only. The government has refused to engage with either domestic or global liberal opinion. What has to be realized is that even as the national public culture and mores seek to shed the vestiges of both their Anglicized and Persianate past, it needs to retain the old value of caring. Indeed, a strong and effective state can and must also be human state, which it hardly was in case of Father Swami. When India embarked on the great national enterprise after independence, it did so on principle that it would achieve development not through an authoritarian policy but a democratic and liberal one, despite the obstacles and challenges that lay in the way. For the superior judiciary, yes, special laws were and continue to be required to meet the challenges that arise from violence and cannot be confronted under the ordinary criminal statute. But their application, however, requires constant review. A jail is the rule and bail the exception for those charged under special laws. There should be very strong evidence to substantiate these charges. But in some cases, this is obviously not so. Consequently, the accused, while languishing in jail for many years, are acquitted during trials, indicating that there was insufficient evidence ab initio to lock them up. ab initio ab initio का मतलब होता है फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग से ही there was insufficient evidence from the starting to lock them up. This is unacceptable, and the superior judiciary needs to redress the situation through an audit of such cases. Father Stan Swami's case should provide an impetus. Impetus का मतलब यहाँ हुआ कि एक फोर्स प्रोवाइड करेगा या फिर एक डायरेक्शन दिया जाएगा. To put such an audit machinery in place as India approaches the 75th year of its independence, it will also reassure international opinion that India is a responsive state. About the author. So author is Vivek Katju, is a former diplomat. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you very much.